Okay, what means more? Our topic is how much more, how much less. What means more? What means less? Less means some. More means more. So more means extra. Less means less, coming less. Becoming less, becoming extra. That is called more means becoming extra. Less means becoming
Less.
okay. So how do you make the extra? Mathematically, what you will do to make extra?
By adding.
By adding. So by adding, by addition, you will get extra. So how do you get less? By subtracting, you get less. Okay, that's the meaning of how much more, how much less. Okay, so you see here, Arman and me, we both went to hotel to eat idlis. Okay, we both went to hotel to eat idlis. He ate 5 idlis. I ate 3 more than him. Means how many idlis I ate? 8. Why? Because I said to you more. More means you know that. What means more? Extra. More means extra. Extra means how you get mathematically, you said to me. By adding. So he had 5. I had more than him. How many more? 3 more. 3 more means what should we do? We should add. So means he is himself. How many? 5. Myself 8. That is the meaning of more. So how do you get more? By adding you will get more. So whereas same less. So how do you get less? By subtraction. By subtraction you will get less. By subtraction you will get less. Okay. So you see Bali and Ahmed went to purchase the shirt. So Bali shirt is 500 rupees. Ahmed's shirt is 100 rupees less than him. Means how much is the Ahmed's shirt? 400. How did you say? Because here less than. We discussed here it is less than. How much less than I said to you? 100 less than I said. 100 means 500 minus 100. Then it will become 400. So that is the meaning of how much more and how much less. Okay. If you want to find more, you will do the addition mathematically. If you want to find the less, we will do the subtraction mathematically. Okay, so means in this chapter we are going to learn about adding and subtraction, addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is the 5th chapter. Okay, now numbers. We will take some numbers and we will add them by using the number line or by using your brain. Okay, normally when I said to do the addition means the habit of children is we will write on the board or paper. One up, one down you will write and you will do the addition. But I am saying as a mathematics student you should not do like that. If you do like that you are not clever. If you are clever you will not do like that. Clevers will do in and answer they will say. Only if I ask the question, you have to say answer without using pen and pen. Okay. Can you say? You will try. 30 plus 14. 44. Very easy. You are able to say 30 and 14 will become 44. 70 and 15. 85. 70 and 15. 85. Okay. 40 and 30. 70. Very good. These additions are very easy for you. 70 and 60. 130. So like these additions are very easy. Very easily you are saying. So now if I give the question like this. 74 plus 36. 110. 80. So here what are you doing here? Before problems, time when I have given like this question, 70 plus 20, very easily you are giving answer. 70 plus 20,
90.
30 plus 40,
70.
70, very good. 60 plus 30,
90.
90, very good. 10 plus 50,
60.
very good. So why you are saying this much fastly? Because here 0, 0 is there, no? Tens only there. Tens, that's why easily you can add it. Suppose if I give like this, 70 plus 25, 95. This is also very easy to us. So what you are doing here, 70, 20 you are adding first. Because you know this method very well, no? Tens easily you can add. 70, 20 you are adding. 70, 20, 90 and extra 5. That 5 you are taking 95. 40 plus 23, 63. This is also same method you are following. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 30. Here also what are you doing? You are taking 20 only here. 20 and 30, 50 and then this 5. 55. 23 plus 40. 63. Okay, this is the way you are following. So now, if I do like this, 70 plus 74 plus 23. 90. You see, here you are giving very fast answer. Here something. But here again you are struggling. Taking time, no? You should practice this all. Because you should not do in paper. You should use your brain only to give the answer. So 70 and 20, 90. Afterwards 4 and 3, 7. So 97. Like this. Okay. 69 plus 11.
70.
Very good. 16, 10. 70. 9 and 1, 10. 70 and 10 will become 80. So this is the way you are following. So 36 plus 23. 59. 59. Okay. So like that. Sometimes now these are typical. 79 plus 36. 115. You are taking long time here. Yes or no? So 79 means the same method you are following. 70, 30, 100. 9 and 6 will become 15. So 100 and 15, 115. Because it is something long. Because carry is coming here. Something long. So sometimes when like these situations are there, I will do the additions and subtractions in another way. I will explain my way. You try to understand my way. If you are feeling, sir, it is very nice. If you feel, then you do it. You also love it. Okay? The method what I am going to follow, you just listen it. You try to understand. If you feel, sir, it is looking easy, very nice. If you feel that, you can learn. Okay? First I said no. 79 plus 36 I said no. What I will do, 79 I will not take. I will think 80 it is. Because round figure adding is easy, no? Before that you said to me, round figures adding is very easy. So that's why I am making round figure here. Means what I will think this is? 80. 36 to 80. You can say very well. 30, 80. 116. 116. But what happened? Observe carefully here. One extra I have taken, no? That one I will less there. 150. So 116 you got. But here what you have done? One extra I have taken, no? That extra there you will remove. Then what will happen? It will become 150. That is my way. Okay. 36 plus 28. What I will do, my method you see. I will take this as round figure. 28 close to 30, no? 36, 30. 66. In that, 2 extra I have taken. Then I will remove 64. So here I am not taking any carry and these all. Sometimes somebody will confuse, means not you are able to do something, time you will take, but you will give the answer. But what will happen? Carry when they come, what you will think? I will take on the paper and I will do you think. If carry is not coming, you will write directly. When carry is coming, what is your habit? You know, you will take this. You will write on the paper. Then you will add that 8 plus 6, 14, 3, 4, 6. You can do very fastly, but compulsory you use paper. Because carry is coming, that's why you use paper. But what I am saying here, without using carry, I am doing here. How I am doing? 36 and it is close to 30. 36 and 30 will become 66. 36 and 30 will become 66. And here 2 extra I have taken now. That 2 what I will do? I will less.
64.
Then what you will get it here? 64. That is my method of addition. My method of addition. 27 plus 50 in 57. What I will do? 1 I will make into round figure. 1 I will make into round figure means what? 56, 57 will become 60. 27, 60. 27, 60. 87. 87 afterwards what happened here? 3 extra taken, no? 3 I will remove. 87 minus 3.
84.
84. You understand? So what I am going to do here? 27 plus 60 I am taking. Answer 87 is coming. Here 3 extra I have taken. That's why 3 I am subtracting. So what I am getting here? 84. Okay, it looks long, but easy. Not typical, not difficult ideas are no need. Carrying that all no need. Easy idea, but long way. But if you practice like that, easily you can answer additions without using pen and paper. Pen and paper you will not use. Only you will use your brain and you will give the answer from your own immediately. Okay. So understood this method? 83 plus 29 means what you will do? 83 plus round figure 30 you will do. 80, 30, 110 and this 113.
112.
Now what will happen? 1 extra you have taken, that's why 1 you will subtract. Then what you will get? 112. Okay, you can follow these methods like these. By following this method, you can do the mathematics fast. This is addition. This is addition. Now subtraction I will say. Okay, before that, once in the textbook what work is there, we will do it. You see, page number 38. Page number 38, you see here 12 plus 28. First of all, he is giving how he is doing, you see. Different ideas. First 12 is first number. Next 28 is there, no? This 28 he have taken as 8 to 10 to 10. At a time he is not adding. Okay, you can think like that. Maybe you are fast, that's why you are adding 20 at a time. But what he is doing, he is separating this all 28. How he separated? 8, 10, 10. First what he have taken? 12 he have taken. With 12 he added 8 first. 12 and 8 will be 20. Then 10 added 30. Then 10 added 40. Somebody will do like that. Somebody will do 10 to 10 to 8. The second one more person have taken like this. 10, 10, 8. First 12. 12 to he added 10. Is 22. Again he added 10. 32. Again added 8. 40. Anyhow you do. That is your capacity. You will say, sir, I will add like this. 20 and 8. First 20 I will add, you will say. 12 and 20. 32. And then 8. 32 and 8. 40. See here. Here he has added like this. 10, 20 first to then 8. Means by when you are adding 12 and 28, you can add in different ways. 28 you can add in different ways. Somebody are adding 8 first, 10 first, 10 first. Somebody are adding 10 plus 8 next. Somebody are adding 20 and 8 like that. So different ideas, different ways you can use it to add it. There is no compulsory to add in same way. In any method you can add it. Okay, do you understand? So my method I said to you know what I will do. Like this is there. What I will do my method 12 plus 30 I will add. 12 plus 30 42. For 42 what I will do 2 I will subtract. 40. That is my method. One person have done like this. One person will do like this. One person will do like this. I will do like this. Everyone is correct answer. But what is the best method you are thinking according to your capacity? Somebody will do big numbers. Somebody cannot do big numbers. What they will do? They will use the small numbers. Like this. 8 to 10, no, 10, no, 10, 10, like that. Somebody will do like this. Somebody will think like this. Anyhow you can do, but you will get the answer. Okay. So that is according to your capacity you can follow. And you have here some work is there, you see. How you will add, you decide yourself. There is 34 plus 16 is there. How you will add? 34 is given. First number 34 given. Then 16 how you are adding? How you add 16? Wait. We must discuss afterwards. 16 how do you add? Somebody will think 10 first to 6 next. Otherwise somebody will think 6 first to 10 next. Yes or no? Your wish. 25 and 23. How you add? 25. 23 you have add. 25 given here. 23 how to add? How you add? Very your wish. 20 and 3. 20 jumping you can do no. Then 3. You can add like that and you can give the answer. 41 and 23. How do you take? Same. Your issue. Somebody will think 3 first to 20 next. 3 first you can add, 20 next you can add. That is also your wish. No compulsory. Next to 53 plus 12. What you will add?
First 10.
2. Otherwise, first 2 upward 10. Your wish. Any way you can follow. Any way you can follow. So you do that. Now subtractions you see them. Is time completed? Yes, okay. That you complete today, and one more thing I will give the work that work we complete today. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining problem. Okay, see that what is the work it is? Page number 42. You see that there is a table.
42.
Once you see why afterwards you can do it. Page number 42 there is a table. Indian Olympics medal table. London Olympics medal winner. Page number 42, 2012 winner. Chart is there no? So here what is their country? Gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, total medals. Okay, if you do okay, if you don't do, once again you do it. So how do you find the total? You know that. How do you find the total? By
using
number line. Number line only. Directly you can add it. No? Adding. You have to add them and you have to write the total. Sometimes what happened? Total given. Bronze medals missed here for the Britain. Total given. Bronze medal missed. Then how to do? So here like this is given. Gold, silver, bronze, total. So first problem, these are given, this one you have to find. Means what you will do, you will add these all. Next to second, third line what happened? This one given, this is not. So how do you do the answer this one? We will add these two and subtract from total. All you should not add here. You know that by adding these three, you have to get the total. Means what should we do? Add these two, subtract from this number, then you will get this answer. Sometimes what you will do, these two they will give, total they will give, this one they will not give. Then how do you do? You have to add these two and subtract from this one, then you will get this one. Sometimes they will give these two and total, and you have to find this one. Then how to do? Add these two and subtract from total, then you will get this one. Okay? So like that, fill the table. Tomorrow I will discuss the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. So maths class completed.